This is exactly how to do a cash advance on an EastWest credit card. So what you need to do firstly is to make sure that you actually get your cash advanced PIN, or the CA PIN. That is also called, just so you know. So how do you actually get your cash advance PIN if you don't know it? Well, either you can actually check when you got the credit card in the mail if you have some document where it also says the CA PIN. Sometimes it does. If you don't have the PIN, you can always contact the official EastWest customer support, just so you know, and they will be able to gladly help you to get that specific PIN. And once you have that PIN, you have to go to preferably an EastWest Unibank ATM here, as you can see, or any other ATMs that actually, of course, also accept credit cards from EastWest. And then you're just gonna put in your credit card in the machine and of course write your PIN code. Once you have done so, you should be able to see something similar to this basically, and you're gonna choose the cash advance option here, and then you're gonna enter exactly how much you want to be able to cash advance. You will be able to have a limit, of course. I think the limit is separate for for everyone basically, so not everyone will most likely have the same limit, so make sure to double check if it's important for you. And also make sure to understand that there's also fees involved with this. And when you go ahead with this, you have to understand that there is fees that is going to be involved with this cash advance. So make sure to double check that as well. But basically, this is exactly how to do a cash advance on an EastWest credit card.